Hey everyone, I am at my last open house for the day from 4 to 5. I'm out at 9062 West Ark Place here in Sioux Falls. This place has more character than you can think of. It is 3 beds, 3 baths, 1,657 square foot with a primary on the main floor. It's got a upper loft area and a 2-stall garage. Let's take a look at this main level. Like I said, it's got a ton of character. It's really cute when we walk in the door. As you come in the door, you notice right away the dark wood trim. There's a half bath right as you enter. We've got our main floor laundry and also goes out to the 2-car garage. I love this space though. Again, I love the woodwork and the light tile on the backsplash and the countertop. It's a good amount of cabinet space for this. You've got an island comfortably seating 3 bar stools. Lots of light coming in that patio door area. This one has a loft as well, and it is gorgeous. I love the open handrailed. That lets so much more light into that upper level. As we go into the primary, we've got a good sized bedroom. Fit a king bed in here and a few additional pieces of furniture. Go into the primary bathroom. Do have a double sink and these lovely wood framed mirrors. Goes into a shower, into the walk-in closet. So it flows very nice on this main level. Upstairs, there are 2 more bedrooms, and the second bedroom is, talk about a surprise. Let's go up there. I have to show you this. As you go up to the second floor, straight ahead, we've got the second bedroom, which is extremely generous in size. And a walk-in closet. We have the 3rd full bath up here. Tub, toilet, single sink. It's pretty good size. Here's that loft area. Just sit up here at night and enjoy the view. All those added windows. This is the big surprise. So I walked into this space. I'm like, oh, really nice sized bedroom. Let's see where the closet is. And we come over here and it just continues. Then we go over here. Like, this would be an amazing craft space, or you could even have this be an office. Just kind of sitting back here, tucked away. You'd have that quiet. So this townhome packs a punch at 3 beds, 3 baths, 1,657 square foot in the townhome with a 2-stall garage. And it's listed at $289,500. Believe that. It's not even $300,000. So I'll be here till 5 today. You can certainly swing by. If you can't make it, I won't hold it against you. Give me a call though. Let's take a look at it together and see if it's the fit for you.